What's going on, guys? Welcome back to RC Voodoo. Today I have another unboxing. This is the Easy RC 1/18 scale Triton. Obviously supposed to be a Toyota FJ. Ready to run, 9-gram servo. It's proportional everything. Let's see here. Injection molded hard body, functional hood, scale interior features, which is straight up false advertisement. There's no interior. Rhino bumper kit and roof rack, high traction, empty tires with 1-inch internal bead locking wheels, all functional light control system, realistic pinion and ring gear axle, high torque transmission, 7.4 2S LiPo, chassis mounted servo, tune coil shocks. It's enough of that. Let's get it over. Okay, here we go. So this is like, all the other ones. Little LiPo battery that comes with all of them. Put that back in there. Okay. It says interior features. I don't know what they could possibly be talking about. What, fender wells? Because that's literally the only thing inside there. Is that supposed to be a dash? Somewhat of a dash. I don't know. But don't count on it having an interior. The radio matches the RC just like all the other ones, which is nice. Garbage. Don't leave the battery plugged in. Let me grab a battery for the radio and we'll fire it up. Okay, I got the batteries in here. It is 3AA. There is an on-off switch here. It's small, but it is an on-off switch. Like all these, the lights flash until you turn on the radio. Okay. And like all of them, pull the throttle, the headlights come on. Go in reverse, the brake lights come on. I don't like that. Always straight wire those. Blinkers. The radio has steering trim and throttle trim and an on-off button. And these bind instantly when you turn them on. They bind. So if you have multiple Easy RCs like I do, turn them on one at a time. Okay, so they make it easy to keep the radios separated. But like I said, if you turn them on, turn this one on, turn the remote on. Turn this one on, turn the remote on. So if you turn this one on and turn this remote on, they will bind. They automatically bind. But once they're bound, then it won't confuse with the next one. So turn them on one at a time. That's the only thing you got to, the only thing you really got to worry about. So there's no sense to do a run video with this one. I'm sure it's just like the other ones. Great fun. I'll link the video in somewhere in the description or somewhere, maybe at the end of the run video with these two. I did find a driver small enough to fit in there. This one did have an interior. So found a little construction worker dude. Looks good in there. But yeah, this is the Toyota FJ. I have one more still trying to find. I've misplaced it somewhere, but well, that's going to do it. I cannot say anything bad about these. For the money, they're well worth it. You know, they're small enough for indoors if it's just too cold to get outside, but they go really good outside. And I got my brother to go out with me, and we had a good time. So another RC from Easy RC. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, take care.